ഇപ്പോൾ പാരിഷ് സെക്രട്ടറി മിസ്റ്റർ ഷാജൻ ജോർജ് അനൗൺസ്മെന്റ്സ് അറിയിക്കുന്നതാണ്.
ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ് എവരിവൺ. ദൈവനാമത്തിന് മഹത്വമുണ്ടാകട്ടെ. ഇന്ന് ഈ ഞായറാഴ്ച രാവിലെ നമുക്ക് ദൈവത്തെ ആരാധിക്കാൻ ലഭിച്ച ഈ അവസരത്തെ ഓർത്ത് ദൈവത്തെ സ്തുതിക്കുന്നു. ആരാധനയിൽ സംബന്ധിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാവരെയും വളരെ സന്തോഷപൂർവ്വം ഇടവകയുടെ നാമത്തിൽ സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യട്ടെ. ഇന്ന് ഈ ആരാധനയ്ക്ക് നേതൃത്വം നൽകുന്ന എല്ലാവരോടുമുള്ള നന്ദിയും സ്നേഹവും അറിയിക്കുന്നു. ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട ജേക്കബ് അച്ഛൻ, റോഷൻ അച്ഛൻ, മാത്തുണി അച്ഛൻ എന്നിവരോടുള്ള പ്രത്യേക സ്നേഹവും നന്ദിയും ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ അറിയിച്ചു കൊള്ളട്ടെ. Now the announcements for today. Next Sunday, July 12, we will have English Divine Service starting at 9 a.m. This will be streamed through our YouTube channel. Area prayer meetings. Pearland West area prayer meeting will be held through Zoom on July 8th, Wednesday at 7 p.m. Fasting prayer. There will be a fasting prayer this Friday as usual, July 10th, 9:30 a.m. through Zoom. Organization announcements. Sunday school. There will be no Zoom Sunday school classes today. Please join us next week, Sunday, July 12th, for our last Zoom Sunday school. Today is the last day to register the virtual VBS. If you haven't registered, please register by today itself. The registration link have already been emailed, and I will email again with the announcement today. After submitting the form, VBS details will be emailed out to you 2 weeks before the VBS start date. Please consider donating to our Sunday school. Even though we are facing new challenges, we want to adjust with the times and keep Sunday school as fun and memorable as possible. If you would like to donate, please send a check to Stacy George or through Venmo at Trinity MTCSS. Idaho Mission. Diocesan Marthoma Voluntary Evangelical Association monthly prayer meeting will be held on July 6th, Monday, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time by Zoom, which is this Monday, tomorrow. Reverend Saju Chako, Bethel Marthoma Church, Philadelphia, will give the message from the scripture. The Zoom information will be emailed later with the announcements. Idaho Mission regular prayer meeting will be held on July 10th, Friday, 7:30 p.m. via Zoom meeting. The Zoom details will be sent later. Seria Sangam. The Southwest Regional Seria Sangam prayer meeting will be held on Tuesday, July 7th, 7 p.m. via Zoom. All Seria Sangam members, please plan to participate in this meeting. Seria Sangam prayer meeting will be held on Thursday, July 9th, 7:30 p.m. via Zoom. Please plan to participate. Yuvajana Sakyam. Diocese of North America and Europe, Marthoma Yuvajana Sakyam Mission Board is inviting you all for the first motivational talk series, Learning to Rise, by Reverend Jacob P. Thomas, Vicar Trinity Marthoma Church, Houston, on July 10th, Friday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time, via Zoom virtual meeting. This will also be live on Marthoma Media, requesting all Yuvajana Sakyam members prayerful participation. Yuvajana Sakyam Cottage prayer meeting will be held on July 11th, Saturday, 7 p.m. via Zoom. The Zoom details will be emailed later. All Yuvajana Sakyam members are requested to attend this prayer meeting. Youth Fellowship. There will be a Youth Fellowship Zoom Bible study on Friday, July 17th, 5:30 p.m. More information regarding this Bible study will be announced later. Healing Hearts Fellowship. The Healing Hearts Fellowship meeting will be held on Saturday, July 11th, 10:30 a.m. via Zoom. The Zoom details will be emailed later. The healthcare workers meeting. The healthcare workers special prayer meeting will be held on July 12th, Sunday, which is next Sunday, 7 p.m. Reverend Dr. Abraham Matthew, the Vicar of Marthoma Church of Dallas Farmers Branch, will deliver the message. Last week's offertory, general offertory $965, birthday $675, wedding anniversary $425. Condolences. Mr. Job Augustine, 75 years old, father of Mr. James Augustine and Mr. Vishal Augustine, sons-in-law of Mr. Philip K. Abraham and Panama Philip, and the brothers-in-law of Mr. Saju Philip and Mrs. Marina Philip of Missouri City and Stafford Area Prayer Group. Received the heavenly call at his residence in Missouri City. The family belongs to the St. Joseph Syro Malabar Catholic Church at Crescent Street. Please uphold this bereaved family in your prayers. Thank you and have a blessed week.